Carbon monoxide alarm installation. This is a new law in Washington State, and it goes into effect January 1st of 2013. Carbon monoxide installation requirements are, number one, alarms must be located outside of each separate living area, in the immediate vicinity of the bedroom, and on each level of the residence. Number two, single station carbon monoxide alarm systems must be listed as complying with UL 2034. That's UL 2034, and installed in accordance with the code and the manufacturer's instructions. Number three installation requirement. Combined carbon monoxide and smoke alarms are permitted. Now there's a panic in the air because the deadline for installation is right around the corner, January 1st, 2013, and because some people are still confused about the law. To bring clarity on what is expected of a landlord regarding the law, click the web address which is showing up on the screen right below this YouTube, and it will take you to the Washington State official website regarding carbon monoxide alarm installation. Also on this screen you will see a second link. It will take you to a carbon monoxide addendum. You may wish to use this addendum. However, first have it reviewed and approved by a landlord-tenant law attorney. We at ORCA we're not attorneys, and we don't give legal advice. However, from time to time, we receive some fantastic addendums and forms, and we like to share them with people. If you would like to have a recommendation on an attorney that has been practicing landlord-tenant law for many years, feel free to contact me. I'm at 800-341-0022, and my extension is 103, and I'm Rebecca. Also, we have great other educational YouTubes and forums on our website. I'd like for you to visit our website to make use of those educational YouTubes and forums. You'll find us at www.orcainformation.com.